So guys, the new season of Blood and Water just started on Netflix today, the 1st of March. Let's review the first and the second episode. I haven't gotten the chance to watch all of the 6 episodes, but for what I've seen on the first episode, the whole crew is back, the same old culprits. Fix has a problem, Puleng has a problems, Chris has a problems, KB has his problems, everyone has something going on. One thing that I've just picked up as well is that there's some new characters. There's some new characters on the show. So let's unpack and let's discuss Blood and Water Season 4 on Netflix. It is your boy Bafethu Azadwangalane. Welcome to my channel Bafethu. Please don't forget to subscribe, press that like button, that bell button, you can also watch some notifications whenever I drop my videos of the favorite shows that you're currently watching on your favorite streaming services. So we are here to discuss Blood and Water that just dropped. I think it dropped today with the 1st of March 2024 with 6 episodes. Mafishane, the longest would be 50 minutes. So I think everyone is just gonna get through this by the weekend, if it seems like it. But on the first episode and the second episode, what I picked up is that Puleng is still at it. She's very sore by the fact that Ubaba Kagaseko and the family is trying to carry on. The mother is trying by all means to carry the torch for the kids. To such an extent, so a party at her friend's house, she actually hooked up with some random guy, like all of a sudden, usolala nabantu angamazi from anywhere. Bafethu. And then on the other hand, Bafethu Fix, she's good. She's good. She's trying to get along with her newly found father. Brian Mandla is somehow left behind, and he can actually sense a good no man. Umntanam lana Fix is actually getting into terms of kona ubaba kanjena, and I think the artistic side of her actually shows what that comes from Ubaba, who is an artist. But on the other side, KB actually released a song. Oh, what a nice one. Only to find out what the beats I said with the and those gangsters, they actually wanted those beats like ASAP. Ngala umfana weKhaladi Wade Daniels, who is the child of the former head master of the school at Parkhurst, is also found himself a new love since they've just parted ways with Puleng, and they've decided they're going to be friends. I think the name of the new character that we've just seen, Kamalake or Asanda. And then also we are getting introduced to Umaga Asanda as well. There's so many new characters. I think those are my 2 favorite characters, because the headmaster as well, I think we saw him on the previous episode. So yeah, I think there's nothing new about that. And then Mafethu, the storyline also continues with Veza Itraili, Ega Maga KP, Nobaga KP, and they get sentenced in prison. I think the sentence is not being said for how long, but obviously for human trafficking, sex trafficking, all those dark charges angazi ukwenzakale ndaphayana. But ke uPuleng kusekusanje lesathola le mystery guy that she met at the party, and then all of a sudden she gets blackmailed by some mysterious or anonymous person on some social media platform, and then she tries by all means to find out and she can't. Lo muntu ufuna umblackmail ukuthi ufuna ukumkhiphela ukurelease sex tape. Already sekhipha indaba yokuthi on the school platforms ama-social media khona nama-students ukuthi khona i-sex tape yomfundi wala eParkhurst ngizoyikhipha, everyone has to see it. So she's just panicking, and they even went to jail beyokhuluma nobaba kaKB, and KB's dad is like, kids, come on, this is not your mother's doing. In fact, your mom is not actually feeling well right now. There was an assassination attempt on her life, but she's actually in hospital fighting for her life. And KP Banda gets really angry at his dad for how things have turned out, because he just recently moved in with Chris. There's so much drama. What do I think about this show exactly right now? What's happening? Look, it's only 2 episodes in, but they wanted this anonymous thing going on of this guy who has this sex tape and wants to release it. It's something that looks like a Pretty Little Liars, But obviously, this is a teen show, so I think this is how teens or Gen Z kind of like live their shows. There's a lot of liquor, parties, a lot of kissing, and it's just teen life in high school. So I think if you are into those type of shows, you are definitely gonna love this show, man. I mean, this is the longest South African running show on Netflix. So Bafethu, just give it a try. I think Bafethu, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me and for catching up with review a Netflix Blood and Water, our very own South African produced drama that's currently playing on Netflix. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like that button and bell that icon as well, so notifications whenever I drop my reviews.